In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template to an existing document in Microsoft Word. If you already have a document created but want to apply a new design, layout, or standardized formatting, you do not need to start from scratch. Microsoft Word allows you to attach a template to your current file, helping you maintain consistency and apply professional formatting quickly and efficiently. Let's begin by opening the document you want to update. Once your file is open, click on the File tab located in the upper left corner of the screen. From there, select Options at the bottom of the menu. This will open the Word Options window, where you can manage advanced settings. Inside the Word Options window, click on Add-ins from the panel on the left. At the bottom of this screen, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Manage. Make sure the drop-down is set to Templates, then click the Go button beside it. This will open a smaller window called Templates and Add-ins. In this window, you can see which template is currently attached to your document. To apply a new template, click the Attach button. A file browser will open, allowing you to locate the template file you want to use. Template files typically have extensions such as .docs or .dotm. Select the template you would like to apply, click Open, and then click OK to confirm. At this point, your document is now connected to the selected template. If you want the styles from the template to update your existing formatting automatically, return to the Templates and Add-ins window. You can access it through the Developer tab by clicking Document Template. If the Developer tab is not visible, enable it through File, Options, and Customize ribbon. Once you are back in the Templates and Add-ins window, check the box labeled Automatically Update Document Styles, then click OK. This step ensures that headings, fonts, spacing, and other formatting elements match the template settings. After attaching the template, review your document carefully to confirm that everything appears as expected. Finally, save your file to preserve the changes. Adding a template to an existing document is a powerful way to standardize formatting and improve the overall presentation of your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.